Hello guys, we have this model and it simply has to be a helicopter with poor dumb signal. It isn't, some people use it as a fan, but this model is really, look at, if you smash on concrete, it is unveiled not to break on concrete and grass. If you get it stuck in a tree, you probably will lose. You can't see it up where you crushed it. Well, this thing been in a tree once and we got it down. See, he's saying hi. This thing is a prosthetical model, and you can see it twists like shit. We do have the controller, but I do not want to show that in this previous video. Just showing you this model. This is my model. It's called Bullet. I named this model Bullet because it is blue and it flies fast. It just acts like, let's see inside of it. Just acts like slowness and just be crappy. They do fly like stupid. They don't fly as helicopters do. But if you do not want to buy one, go. If you want to buy one, go ahead. We will see you on the next previous video. Goodbye. Pretty sure these things are at Walmart as well, but they're probably, I got the last one. Got this the day after yesterday. I got this on March, let me see, March 22nd I got this helicopter. It's been stuck in a tree for one whole day. So that's all we have to say. Goodbye.